Hey, I want to stay in retail and bring in retail watcher Michael Zakkour. Now, Michael, you say that the thinning of the herd is actually accelerating. Explain to us how that's happening.
Well, we're entering now, Charles, what we call the new retail era. And what's happening is the old guard is thinning out, boring, middle of the road, the middle market's going down. What we're really looking at, the companies who are winning, like Walmart, are completely integrating online, offline technology and logistics for a completely new value chain.
You know, last week I looked at the names that had the biggest problems, right? Ascena, JCPenney, Chico's, I don't think reported, but I looked at it. Combined, they had less than a $1 billion market cap. I mean, is it just too late for any of those names, although they may be historic, iconic names, to get in the game with this whole omni-channel thing you're talking about?
I think for some of them, it is a little bit too late. You know, digital is a mindset as much as it is a technology, but there is hope for some of them.
But you got to have also, right? I mean, listen, Walmart cut the deal with, Amazon cut a deal with Kohl's, right? So the physical location has value these days as well.
Yeah, well, like we say, you know, the store is dead, but long live the store. And what we're talking about in new retail is the store is more important than it's ever been. What we are seeing is a thinning of the herd in the number of stores and the type of stores. Smart, experiential, digitized stores work. And we can see the proof in this where the digital native companies like a Harry's Razors or a Casper in mattresses, they're opening physical locations. So the digitals are opening physical and the smart digitals are opening physical.
And the names like the Dress Barns of the world, it's just again, or the Top Shops, or again, JCPenney. It just feels like maybe they were just too flat-footed. I mean, listen, this is an industry that's the best example of creative destruction. Woolworths at one time ruled the world, and you know, and so historically we've seen this happen over and over again. But it's different this time with this whole digital element, isn't it?
Yeah, well, we tend to see a retail revolution, a shaking up of things every 30 or 40 years. I mean, there were the department stores, then there were the big box stores and the specialty big box stores. Amazon obviously has changed everything. It's the Amazon effect. But now we're seeing Amazon going to physical, and the smart companies are following that lead.
The state of the consumer, though, is okay. I mean, when JCPenney's in trouble, we don't use that as a proxy for the American consumer, do we?
Well, what we are seeing is a little bit of the thinning of the herd in the middle market, in the traditional middle market department stores.
Right.
Essentially, department stores are a dead concept. I'm confident that the guys on the mass market side, so Dollar General, Family Dollar, Walmart.
These are names that you like.
I like them. They're going to continue.
They're going to survive this whole period and come out stronger.
Yeah. The only thing we need to watch out for is if the tariff issue does not get resolved relatively soon, it could start to impact consumer spending power and the prices that some of these lower market companies have to charge.
Dollar General, Dollar Tree, Walmart, do you own any of them?
I don't.
Okay. Michael, thank you very much.
Thank you, Charles.